Okay, you are looking at the Qball, the Qball receiver, and then over here is the Roger Digimaster tower, and then this is the Phonak Roger microphone. This is the teacher microphone that goes with this speaker tower over here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up the Qball. So you're gonna grab this black piece, twist it to the left, pull it straight out. Then you're gonna open up this clip, and this is the actual microphone. Now this needs to charge, so take the charging cord and plug it in. Leave that overnight. Then the next morning when you're ready to use it, unplug it. You then press this button on the front to turn it on. And the very first time you use it, you will need to pair the microphone with the receiver. So I'm going to press this power button until I see the blue lights. And there it goes, and it's connected. And I can blow into it and I can hear it coming out of the speaker. And the reason I can hear it is because this audio cord is plugged into the bottom of this speaker tower. Now normally you won't have to pair it just that first time you use it. So now it's ready to go. It needs to go back into the Qball. So you're gonna place it in and put the black piece back on. Now this is for you and your students to toss around and then speak into. It does have a great mute function so that when it's in motion, it's going to mute. So it does have to be still for just a second or two before it's going to work again. So your students will be passing this around and you will be wearing this, and this is connected to the speaker wirelessly. So teacher microphone and pass around microphone. If you have any questions, please send me an email. Thanks.